Imagine this. You walk in the door after a long day at work. Your energy is drained, your mind is fried, and you collapse on the couch, thinking you'll relax for just a few minutes. Suddenly, it's 10 p.m. Netflix is still playing, and your plans to work out, start that side project, or spend quality time with loved ones are out the window yet again. Does this sound familiar? If so, you're not alone. For many, evenings after work seem to vanish without a trace, leaving frustration and the feeling of another wasted day. But what if those precious hours could be reclaimed and transformed into a time of growth, connection, or rest that truly recharges you? Stick around, because this video will reveal actionable strategies to help you stop wasting your evenings and make the most of your time. By the end, you'll have a plan to turn your evenings into a powerful part of your day. Let's dive in. Step 1. Break the mood action cycle. The first step to reclaiming your evenings is separating your actions from your mood. Here's the truth. Most people let their feelings dictate their behavior. Tired? Scroll social media. Stressed? Veg out in front of the TV. It feels natural, but this pattern keeps evenings stuck on repeat. Think about it. There have been times when you didn't feel like doing something but pushed through anyway. Maybe you went to the gym despite exhaustion or completed a task even when you weren't in the mood. Those moments prove that action doesn't have to follow mood. Here's how to break the cycle. When your default programming says, "I'm tired, so I'll rest," rewrite it to say, "I'm tired, but I'll spend 15 minutes on my goal first." Once you start, momentum takes over. Each time you take action despite your feelings, you build evidence that you're capable. Over time, this rewiring helps you conquer the couch and turn your evenings into something meaningful. Step 2. Optimize your life math. Time, like money, can be divided into 3 categories: fundamentals, fun, and future. Fundamentals are the essentials: chores, errands, and life maintenance. Fun is your social life and hobbies. Future is anything that helps you grow, like learning a new skill or working on personal projects. For most people, the fundamentals eat up so much time that there's little left for fun or future pursuits. But here's the good news. You can optimize those fundamentals. Start by batching tasks. Dedicate one evening or weekend morning to handle things like meal prepping, cleaning, and planning outfits for the week. This intense focus frees up hours during your evenings. For example, spending 2 hours meal prepping on Sunday could save you 6 hours during the week. That's 6 extra hours for reading, exercising, or pursuing goals. Similarly, consider tools or services to streamline chores, whether it's grocery delivery or automated bill payments. Every minute saved from fundamentals is a minute gained for fun or the future. Step 3. Change your first destination. One of the biggest traps of the evening is the couch. It's the default destination for many after work. The problem is that once you sit down, it's hard to get back up. To avoid this, change where you go immediately after work. Instead of heading home, bring your gym clothes and go straight to a workout. Or take your laptop to a cafe and spend an hour on that side project. The key is to bypass the couch altogether. This small tweak can make a huge difference. Think of it like redirecting water. By changing the flow just slightly, you create an entirely new outcome. Avoiding the couch means avoiding the endless hours lost to binge watching and procrastination. Step 4. Use your best hours wisely. Not all hours are created equal. Evening hours, especially after a long day, are often low energy and distraction-filled. But here's the secret. You can make mornings work for you. Set aside 30 minutes in the morning for focused work on something important. It could be journaling, exercising, or making progress on a personal goal. Morning hours are often free of interruptions, and your brain is at its freshest. For example, 30 focused minutes in the morning can accomplish more than 2 distracted hours in the evening. While this isn't about abandoning evenings altogether, it's about leveraging the best parts of your day to set yourself up for success. Step 5. Respect your foundation. Energy is the fuel that powers your evenings. Without it, even the best plans will fall apart. That's why respecting your physical and mental health is essential. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night. Fuel your body with nutritious meals and stay hydrated throughout the day. Incorporate regular exercise, even if it's just a 20-minute walk. Taking care of your foundation ensures you have the energy to make the most of your evenings. Remember, productivity isn't about squeezing every minute dry. It's about having the capacity to do what matters most. Step 6. Define evening priorities. Finally, decide what matters most during your evenings. Without a clear plan, it's easy to default to whatever feels easiest in the moment. Each morning, take 5 minutes to decide on 1 or 2 priorities for the evening. Maybe it's spending quality time with family, practicing a hobby, or completing a task that moves you closer to a long-term goal. When the evening arrives, you'll know exactly what to focus on. This simple act of planning can transform your evenings from reactive to intentional. And there you have it, practical strategies to stop wasting your evenings after work and start using them for what truly matters. From breaking the mood action cycle to optimizing your time and prioritizing your health, these steps will help you reclaim your evenings and create a life you're proud of. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more tips to make the most of your time.